Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So this video is all about, you all know Oracle Apex 26.1 is released and everyone is started using it, and we are also covering all the major topics one by one in our channel. So to explore those Oracle Apex new features and to get a hands on, people will be looking all around like blogs or some YouTube contents or some other things where it is covered. So people will be roaming around in and around to get those hands-on experience. So making all this consideration, we are just made all these filed all these features, 26.1 features as a book, and we have just released, written and released in our Amazon from our Thanike Solutions. We have just written and published a book on Oracle Apex 26.1 features. It will cover all major of features, like it is covering 10 plus features with clear hands-on demonstrations, step by step demonstration with a clear screenshots. You can just follow up, you can just follow the step by step. So if you are aware of a live lab which you have experienced, like Oracle live lab, if you have explored that, you will be noticing it will contain step by step things, like step one you need to do this with a screenshot with marking everything you will be seeing in the live lab. In the same style we have just written and published our book. If you are interested, you can just check out our book. You can just purchase it from Amazon. It is like a ebook. It will not be delivered as a hard copy. It will be ebook. It will be added to your or Amazon Kindle account. You can just explore that ebook in your mobile or desktop. Right? So to purchase that, I will just showcase how to do this. I can also ping the link in the description, the purchase link. So you can use that link and you can just purchase that. So first you go to the Amazon and look for Oracle Apex 26.1. So once you search for this, you will get this result. So this is the book we have written. So you just click on this. So this is Oracle Apex 26.1 Developer Handbook. This is the book we have published it. This covers almost 10 plus features. You can just look it here. So these are the features, like we are just covered from APEXlang to AI agents step by step with a real-time example and the screenshots of hands-on experience. So you can just follow all these steps one by one and you can implement those in your application, like APEXlang, NL to IR, faceted search enhancement, file upload enhancement, metric cards, cards region enhancement, Flexbox Container, dynamic quick picks, and select list quick pick, drawer page enhancement, button enhancement, interactive grid enhancement, interactive report enhancement, then other some tips for the developer and some keynotes. So all these topics we are covered step by step detailing. So you can just look into it and you can just practice everything. We have just covered this APEXlang as well. That's from setup to generation we have just covered, and AI agents we have just covered from setup to things. So you can just look into this. You can just purchase it. If you have a Kindle Unlimited membership, you can just read it for free. Otherwise, you can just purchase it for this price. So if you really interested to check it out, the new features, you can just purchase my Oracle Apex 26.1 Developers Handbook book. It will be useful for you. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel Thanike Solution and put a like to this video, and please subscribe to our channel and keep supporting. Thank you.